Hello, my name is Ruvalcaba. Thank you for granting me this interview. I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Question number 1. Describe a situation where you had to push through a difficult or long-term project even when things weren't going as planned, and how did you stay motivated? So for me, my difficult situation would be trying to get an interview for nursing school. So my journey started out at the community college level where I had my ups and downs academically. I passed a lot of classes, I failed a few classes, and I've had to retake multiple classes. My big turning point for me was when I wasn't getting anywhere. I've applied to multiple nursing schools at that point, and I still wasn't getting an interview. I still wasn't getting a call back. And I realized most of my grades that I had were not good at all. So I needed a big change to get to remotivate myself to keep on going. Because I always kept the same goal. I'm trying to get into nursing school, but I never put it all, my 100%, up until I transferred into CBU for the spring 2024 semester. Once I got there, I applied as soon as I was accepted into the school for the nursing program, but I had a GPA of 2.5 for my sciences, and that wasn't going to cut it at all. So it lit a fire into me, kept me going, kept me motivated. So I was like, okay, we're going to get this done, and we're going to try to accomplish my goal of getting to nursing school. So I went to CBU for a year, passed all my classes, brought up my GPA, brought up my grades, made friends, met different professors, met my academic advisor, and all these people that I met, they all helped me and they all kept me motivated. And I saw the changes. I saw my changes academically, the way I took school, and I actually, I took myself and I propelled myself forward. It kept me motivated because I could see the changes, the positive changes, and that's why I kept on going. Question number 2. Tell us about a time where your leadership was tested and how you handled it and what you learned. So a time where my leadership was tested was I've recently finished a CNA program in February, and our first day of clinicals, we did postmortem care. A partner and I were assigned to CNA, and we had walked in the room, our first time ever seeing a dead patient, and that was we froze. I was a bit scared because I didn't know what to do, and neither by my partner. But we had a task to complete. So our CNA, very kindly, was just talking us through it on what to do. My partner was still frozen, but I had to snap out of it because we were there to perform a task, so I had to get it done. So I started cleaning. I started putting towels where they needed to go, and everything went pretty smooth. But I noticed my partner was still, in this state of shock. So I told her, I was like, we have to get this done, so please start helping me. And then little by little, I was encouraging her to do a little bit more. Anything that the CNA had told us, but she didn't hear, I would tell her, I would repeat it kindly, calmly. And eventually we both got the test done on our own with our CNA walking us through. But for that, I pushed both of us to get the task at hand done. Question number 3. Why do you believe you will be a great nurse? I believe I have what it takes to be a great nurse because I truly care for people. During my time as a CNA, I absolutely fell in love with patient care, whether it be feeding, changing, or just having a normal everyday conversation with them. I have a great base set of skills. I can think critically, I can pay attention to the details, problem solve, communicate. The skills list can go on and on. But in my heart, I know that nursing is my passion and that God has put me on this path. Thank you.